Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a faux loc install. I did a braidless one a couple of months ago, and so I wanted to switch it up, and so this is going to be one with a full actual braids to the back, crochet on top of it, all that good stuff. So all I have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. I have 10 braids going straight back, and I think fancy, except for on the sides, because I might want to pull it up. So on the sides I have just basically the version of a Y braid on each side, and then that's it. Everything else is just straight to the back. So what I like to do before I'm going to crochet the ends back into the top of my hair, I like to go ahead and oil my braids. And I'll oil my braids basically once every couple of days, but I like to do the Wild Growth hair oil. Love this stuff. So let me just go ahead and basically grease or oil my braids. Alright, so now that that's out the way, I am going to crochet the ends back into the braid to kind of get it out of the way. Some people braid it and kind of have like a bunched up in the back, like this. I don't like that because I might pull it up in a ponytail, and so I just don't want that bunched back there, so I am going to crochet them up. Really quick though, I do have a very, very, very small twist in the front. That's not necessarily leave out, then it is my edges. You guys know I really try to avoid pulling my edges at all possible costs. So what I did, because it's the most weakest part of your hair, so I basically pulled them out, did a small twist, and then I'll just do the, the edges tamer, every day or every couple of days to keep these edges intact. But that's what this is. It's not full leave out, and I'll show you guys once I install the faux locs, but this is just a little bit of my edges. Want to keep them nice, safe, and protected. So let me go ahead and crochet my ends. I've got all of the back taken care of. I used, well, I'm on my 5th pack right here, so you guys know I said that it comes in 6, and so this is how it comes, each pack, kind of like a braid / twist type thing. So you just unravel it, fairly simple. So this hair I got from Amazon. And it's one of those where it's like I want to say like a one package fits all, but I didn't have to order like, oh, how many packs am I going to need. It's one of those where one pack does your whole head. And I will link directly where I got it from. The link directly, I think it was maybe, I'm trying to think, I know it was less than $35. I want to say it was right at 30. So I did like that I didn't have to worry about how many packs that I needed. So the total, I think the total number of strands was like 144. But what I like, and it states on the actual Amazon page, was that, it comes in 144 in different colors. I got the 1B33 because I wanted a little bit of color. But then it says on the page that if the 144 strands isn't enough for you, which, I mean, it should be for anybody. But if it's not enough for you, then you can let them know and they will send you 2 more additional bundles for free. So that's a good insurance plan if you think you might need it, but you're not sure. So that's another thing that I liked. As far as this hair, it is very smooth. I do like that it has the goddess at the bottom, and that's where the color is, so it kind of gives you like an ombre feel. So that's another good thing that I like about the hair. As far as like soaking or anything, I did not soak this hair. I don't know if I did it with my last Faux Loc installing. I didn't. What I am going to do is I'll dry shampoo it after I install it. I'll go ahead and use some dry shampoo. I actually just got some from, I think Tresemme. I just bought some from Tresemme. So I will dry shampoo it when I'm done. So this hair came just in time. I am actually leaving for Jamaica in a couple of days. One of my husband's frat brother's fiance. She's actually became a best friend to me, but anyway, so they're having their wedding in Jamaica, and so I wanted something. I knew I didn't want to wear my hair, and I normally, when I'm going to like tropical type vacations, I don't like to wear my hair out, just simply because I know I'm going to want to get my hair wet. I know I'm going to be like out sweating and all that kind of stuff, and I just don't want to have to worry about, one, taking like a ton of different products. Like the room and the pounds that could be saved on that could be like a dress or something that I buy while I'm on vacation. I don't want to have to worry about packing all these different hair products when I'm on vacation. So that's one reason why I don't. And then the second reason, I don't feel like dealing with my natural hair down there. People, I love my natural hair, but it can get annoying after a while. And to go from the beach to then go straight to dinner, I couldn't do that. I'd have to rinse it out and apply some conditioner and wait for it to air dry and then diffuse it, and that's just too much. So I like to do simple, easy, protective styles while I'm on. Most of the time, either twist, braids, or locks. I normally don't like to do crochet braids when I'm going on a tropical vacation, just because I know I'm either going to get in the ocean and I'm going to get sand in it, and it's very hard to get sand out of crochet hair. I don't know why, so I don't. I will wear crochet braids any other time, but when I'm going somewhere that requires beach, I don't like to do it. So this hair came just in time. I can't remember if they offer Prime shipping, although I think they do. I think you can, if you have a Prime account, I think you can order it and have the 2-day shipping. It came faster than I expected. So, and it's Amazon. This is the first time I've ordered hair off of Amazon, but it's like Amazon is slowly getting everything. Like, what can't you buy off of Amazon? I had someone send me a Amazon gift card, and I'm like, I really wanted to buy groceries. Do you know what I did? Went online on Amazon, used that Amazon gift card to buy a Target and Walmart gift card, to then go in Target and Walmart to buy groceries. That's just how much you can get from Amazon. So yeah, Amazon has become my friend. I waited so long before I got a Prime account, and then I was like, I'm shopping on Amazon at least once every 2 weeks. It's gonna eventually pay for itself. Now they have those monthly plans where they're not digging in your pockets once a year, and you're like, who remembers the once a year thing? Now it's monthly. It's a little bit more monthly, but at least I know it's coming. It's not like that annual fee where you're like, check your account one day and the next day you're like, where is $100? And then Amazon's like, we got it, girl. Don't have to worry about that. Okay, so I'm done. They're not that long. So you see, right at the zoom, not that long, but I love the color. I've been open to color lately. Before, I've always been like a 1B girl. I'm open to the color. So I haven't done anything to them. I'm not going to cut them or anything like that. I am going to jewel them. I am going to put some jewels in them because it wouldn't be me if I didn't accessorize. But this is what it looks like. Let me give you guys a 360. This is the front, and I kind of just have like a very heavy part, which is where I'll probably have them. I don't like just like the middle part. I like a dramatic part. So this is the way they'll look. So this is the front. This is the side. The back. You guys see that curl, and then the side. All right, so the edges is laid, although you really probably just did them more on this side because you can't really see them on this side. Now let's do some decorations. I've got a combination of some hair braid rings and then some filigree tubes that I just got from my local beauty supply store that I'm just going to use to decorate. There is no method to me just putting or decorating my faux locs. It legit is just, oh, this looks like a pretty braid, let me put something here. Somebody asked me in my previous video, how do you decorate your faux locs? There's no method. There's not like, oh, every 7th braid I'm going to put something. No, there's none of that. It's just, oh, this looks like one, let me put one over here. I will have to say that I do put more on the dramatic side, so I do put more over here on this side because this is where the majority of the hair is. And then I normally don't put any in the back. If I have some left over, which I will not because I normally get 2 packs of both, and I did not, so maybe I'll go back to the hair store and get some more, and if that's the case then I will put some on the back. But if I'm pressed for jewelry, then no, I won't put any in the back. Just to me, it's like if I can't see it, then I'm not worried about it. Okay, we are all done. So this is the final result. Like I said, I am gonna get some more jewelry to go on this side, but I like what it looks like on this side. I love the curl. I did get some color, so you guys see. So this is my waist down here, so it comes about right here. So you see, so it's about, you know, a little bit longer than the brassiere area. But I love it. I love it. And then one thing I like, I didn't mention this, guys, these are very lightweight. These are very lightweight, so I don't feel like my head, you know, when you first get your hair done and you're doing this the whole time because it feels heavy. These do not feel heavy at all. Most faux locs don't, but I think I was concerned with the combination of the faux loc and the hair. I didn't want it to be too heavy. These do not feel heavy at all. I am going to do an update because once you know when you get hair wet, it might have a tendency to get heavy. So I am going to do an update when I get back from the beach to let you guys know if the hair gets heavy after I water it. Please don't pay attention to me. It's late at night and I need to go to bed. So now I'm just like playing in the hair. So yeah, I am going to do an update once I get back from the beach to let you guys know how these did. In the meantime, go ahead and check out my other videos, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.